Welcome to Data Insights for Multi-Academy Trust Administrators. You can find this analysis tool through our secure extranet, Center Services. In this video, we'll walk through the steps you need to take to get started with Data Insights. When you log in for the first time, you will be presented with terms and conditions and a data sharing agreement. To agree to these, you need to select Accept, and this will take you through to your account in Center Services, where you will be redirected to Data Insights. This will bring you to the landing page. Once you've logged in for the first time, you need to select Manage User Roles, where you will be able to update your personally identifiable information access rights. Additionally, within this area, you can add new users and review your Center member list. But you will need to ensure that your PII access rights are up to date before you can view detailed Center data. It is the main administrator's role to create new users within your MAT. You can do this here. This should be with their email address that contains the MAT domain. This is also where you set their viewing permissions. So, to recap, agree to the T's and C's and DSA, update your PII access rights, and make sure your centers are all accounted for. Lastly, if anyone in your trust would also like access to the data, you can go ahead and add them as a user. Thank you for watching our short video. If you have any further questions, you can refer to the web page where you will find videos and our user guide. If you are having any technical trouble, you can contact our AQA customer support team.